Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a hexagon within a circle when given the length of the side. So in this case, assume we have a length of the side as let's say 2.5 centimeters. So the first thing is to draw a circle of radius equal to the length of the given side. So let's draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeters. So I open my compass with a span of 2.5. That's from 2 to 4.5. That gives a span of 2.5. So I'll describe my circle now. I guess I need to space here. So actually, now I've drawn a circle whose radius is equal to the length of the side of the hexagon. Now the next step is to draw a horizontal diameter AB. So let's draw that. So just draw any you can take any line as a horizontal and draw a diameter. Now the next step is with center A and B in turn and radius of the circle, draw arcs above and below AB. So in this case, with center A and B, now here we have A and B as the edges of the diameter. Now we are going to put at A. We are going to cut an arc on the circle above and then below. Now we're going to move over to B, cut an arc above and below. Now when you are done with that, all you need to do is you join the points, all the points, including A and B. So we'll do this. Joined, 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 joined. So you make sure it's at the points. Joined. And finally, we have this joint. So this is how to draw a hexagon in a circle.